Hi guys, it's me Tech Jake. If you want to buy this COSMO 3-piece kitchen appliance package, which comes with the 30-inch microwave drawer no handle that fits wider cabinets, the 30-inch under cabinet range hood, and the 30-inch electric range, then please visit the link provided in the description. Now, let's talk about this package because this isn't just your average set of kitchen appliances. This is a lineup that's designed to upgrade your kitchen both in looks and in functionality, while still keeping that sleek, professional vibe that COSMO is known for. So first up, the microwave drawer. A lot of people underestimate how much of a game changer a microwave drawer can be. Normally, you'd see a microwave sitting on the countertop or hanging over the range, but the drawer style integrates into your cabinetry and gives you that clean, flush look. And this one is 30 inches wide, so it's built to fit into wider cabinets. That means you don't just get the aesthetic upgrade, but you also get better ergonomics. No more lifting hot bowls of soup over your head. Instead, you just pull the drawer open, place your food in, and slide it shut. It's handle-free, which gives it this futuristic, minimalist look. Instead of grabbing a handle, you just tap the touch controls, and the drawer slides smoothly in and out. It feels premium, almost like that soft close action you get with high-end cabinetry. And in a kitchen, where design often clashes with functionality, this balances both really well. Now, performance-wise, COSMO's microwave drawer is no slouch. You've got smart defrosting features, presets for quick heating, and enough power to handle everyday tasks without feeling sluggish. The benefit here is also safety. Since it's down low, it's safer for kids and even more convenient if you're lifting heavier dishes. Moving on to the second piece, the 30-inch under cabinet range hood. Ventilation is one of those things that you don't really think about until you're actually cooking, and once you have a powerful hood, you'll never go back. COSMO's under cabinet design is perfect for people who want strong performance without sacrificing cabinet space above the stove. It tucks right under your cabinet line, giving you a seamless look. And let's be honest, nobody likes smoke, steam, or lingering cooking smells hanging around in the kitchen. This hood is designed to move a serious amount of air, keeping your kitchen fresh even if you're searing steak or stir-frying with high heat. The controls are simple, the lighting is bright enough to illuminate your entire cooktop. And because it's stainless steel, it's super easy to wipe down. That's something you'll really appreciate after a week of frying bacon or cooking with oil. But the star of the show in this package might just be the 30-inch electric range. This is where the magic happens because the range is the centerpiece of any kitchen. COSMO's electric range gives you that professional stainless steel design with modern features built in. You've got multiple burners on top that heat up quickly, an oven that can handle everything from baking cookies to roasting a turkey, and intuitive controls that don't overwhelm you with too many buttons. The oven has even heating, which is crucial if you actually care about how your food comes out. Uneven heat is the difference between a perfectly baked cake and one that's burnt on the edges and raw in the middle. COSMO uses advanced heating elements that distribute heat consistently, and that's something that separates this from cheaper ranges. Design-wise, the whole package ties together really well. All three appliances come in matching stainless steel finishes, so when you install them together, your kitchen instantly looks like it got a serious upgrade. It's clean, modern, and professional. There are no flashy logos or distracting designs, it's just a premium stainless steel aesthetic that works in almost any kitchen setup. Another thing worth pointing out is that COSMO is known for bringing premium designs at a more affordable price point. You don't have to spend luxury appliance money to get that high-end feel. And this 3-piece package is basically a one-and-done solution: microwave, range hood, and range all in one shot. That's appealing because not only do you get everything matching, but you also don't have to hunt for pieces separately and worry if they'll look good together. Living with these appliances day to day, you'll notice little touches that make life easier. The microwave drawer saves counter space and feels futuristic. The range hood quietly does its job and keeps the